This is your technical update from the LMAX Exchange Research and Analytics Desk for Thursday, December 31st, 2015. So the euro looks to close out 2015 within a well-defined range between 110.60 above and 107.96 below. A break on either end will be required for clearer directional insight, with a pushback above 110.60 to open a deeper correction towards the 113 area, while back below 107.96 would suggest a lower top at 110.60 and open a bearish resumption back towards the December low at 105.20, which guards against the more critical base from March, that multi-year low at 104.60. Sterling dollar. So cable sets to end the year under pressure within this well-defined downtrend as the market adheres to a series of lower tops and lower lows and is focused on a retest of the 2015 low at 145.66. At this point, any rally should be very well capped ahead of the 150 area, with only a break back above 152.40 to compromise the bearish outlook for sterling dollar. Dollar yen. So dollar yen is under pressure into the end of the year and is contemplating a move below 120 with the break to open the next key support at 118.06. At this point, any rally should continue to be very well capped with only a break back above 123.76 to take the pressure off the downside. Euro Swiss. So more consolidation for the Euro Swiss rate into year end, with the market remaining confined to this consolidation over the past several months. But overall, the recovery structure here remains intact while the market holds above 107.15, with a fresh upside seen back above the 110.50 September peak and towards 115 further up. At this point, only back below 107.15 would compromise this recovery outlook. Aussie dollar. So Aussie has been up into the final days of 2015, though the market remains confined to a broader bearish consolidation with the price action defined below 74. At this point, rally should be very well capped below recent highs at 73.85, with only a break back above this level to compromise the immediate bearish outlook. Instead, look for the market to stall out in favor of a more immediate bearish resumption, eventually back down towards those multi-year lows from August, just shy of 69. Dollar CAD. So dollar CAD is in the process of consolidating latest recent multi-year gains, 11-year highs just over 140 and shy of that 2004 peak at 140.07. At this point, the highly constructive outlook remains firmly intact, and any setbacks are viewed as corrective, with a higher low sought out ahead of the next major upside extension beyond 140 and towards the 145 area further up. Look for any setbacks to ultimately be well supported ahead of previous resistance now turn support in the 134 area. Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi has traded up to some key resistance in recent trade, with the market now into some medium-term resistance in the form of the 69 area. At this point, a close above 69 would be required to force a shift in the outlook, while any rallies in the interim should be very well capped below this level in favor of what could be a bearish resumption back down towards recent multi-year lows that were seen back in August towards the 60 area. SPX 500. So the S&P 500 continues to show signs of the formation of a major top in 2015 after the market stalled out by record highs in May at 2137. We've since seen a lower top potentially in play at 2117 from back in those that highs that we saw in early November, and since then we've seen the market trade gradually lower. At this point, look for any rallies to be well capped below 2100, with a break back below the recent lows that we saw at 1993 to confirm and accelerate declines back down towards next medium-term support at 1870. Only back above 2117 would really compromise the outlook and open the door for fresh record highs beyond 2137. Gold. So gold continues to consolidate just off its recent multi-year lows at 1046, but is showing the potential signs for a base. At this point, though, we need to see a break back above 1100 to confirm and take the immediate pressure off the downside. Until then, there is risk for deeper setbacks below 1046, which would expose major psychological barriers at 1000 further down.